First of all, I think all that cat calls and all that applause for her was for all of them, but she definitely stands out in this stunning outfit. You look fabulous.
Thank you. That's all Vikram. My God. Amazing. I love it. I want to take it home. I might steal it actually.
This is kind of a thing that you would like to wear in your engagement or in your wedding, isn't it?
I don't know. I never thought of getting engaged in an Indian outfit, but yeah, why not? Why not? I look like I feel like a princess in it.
Ileana, okay, since you haven't thought of an Indian outfit, what would be your perfect wedding? Would it be a Christian wedding, like a gown, or would you like to go like semi-traditional?
I think I'd probably just be comfortable in a nice, comfortable, easy gown, barefoot on the beach with just close family.
Sounds fantastic. But no plans in the near future, I assume.
Near future, no.
Near future is 2, 3.
Well, we don't know. Who knows what can happen? We don't know. Let's just say I'm focusing on my career now, but no plans as such.
Well, a lot of curiosity again with Fata Poster Nikla Hero, and we love the stills that is going on. So tell us, I mean, how is it working with Shahid? It's some new chemistry that we're going to see.
Yes, I think so. I mean, it was very different, with Ranbir and Barfi, but I think with Fata Poster, it's going to be fun. It's going to be, I think the fact that we're so, spontaneous together, it's easy working with him, and I think it'll be a nice fresh pairing on screen, and it's a complete entertainer, so people are going to love it.
A difficult question, and I'm going to end this by asking you, if you had to choose, you cannot say both. What sets apart Ranbir from Shahid and vice versa? Obviously, they're different people, but what is the best about Ranbir and that Shahid does not have, and vice versa?
I don't know both of them extremely well. They're both unique in their own way. Shahid's got his own kind of fan following, I guess. Ranbir is a charmer, and he's very easy to talk to. Shahid takes a little time to open up, but he's very easy to work with as well. And I have fun working with both of them.
Well, that's quite a diplomatic answer, but TK, we'll take it for now. You look fabulous once again, and all the very best. Thank you so much, Ileana. There you are. Fantastic. Can you give your last pose that you gave in the ramp? Thank you so much. You're great. Thank you once again. Ileana with that fabulous pose. Rudrani Chatraj with Cameron Paresh. Zoom.